Welcome to Sheldon's channel! Hi guys! My name is Kat and welcome daw ako ni Sheldon.
Welcome to my channel!
Hi guys! Welcome to Sheldon's channel. So, gusto niyo makita yung bag ko ba? Gusto daw makita ni Sheldon yung laman ng bag ko.
Bag raid!
Yes, yun, bag raid. So, here is my bag! Yung bag ko is, I bought this last 2017 sa Japan. Yun. At, so, yung laman ng bag ko, ginagamit ko yung bag ko everyday for groceries. Pero hindi ako everyday lumalabas since merong COVID. Yun. Sana praying na mag-stop na yung virus. And what's inside my bag? Inside my bag is a big wallet. Pero iniiwan ko lang siya sa car kasi nga pag kailangan lang. Laman nito is passbook and check. Gusto ko to kasi kita yung kasya yung cheque. So, yan. And phone. Ito yung gamit kong phone pero last time naka-Samsung ako. Yan. Wallet again. Syempre, I use BPI card. Although, meron din naman akong ibang card. Pero syempre, Ayala. ARC. Ayala Rewards card. SNR. Madami eh. So, pipiliin ko na lang. Landers. Yun. Next. Syempre, nandito yung license ko and other IDs. Perfume.
What's your perfume?
Clinic Happy. This is what we need every day. Antibacterial wipes. Body wash siya, pero ginagamit ko siyang hand wash. This is Amway. Cash. AirPods Pro. Pro ba to? Yan. So, hindi siya premium copy. Sabi nila, same na same daw sa premium copy. Kaya, okay din daw. Mas cheaper. Papaw! Thank you, Michael Vincentan. Pepe. Special mention si Pepe. Carmex. Lip moisturizing. Favorite. Super favorite ko to. Ay, ang ayaw pa open. Yun. Yan. Gamit na gamit. Lip balm again. Dental floss. Lipstick. I'm not using my lipstick kasi lagi tayong nakamask and we don't need it. This is natural color lang. From MAC. Yan. Ano ba number yan? Number 70. Antibacterial hand gel. Sabi nila mas okay ang gel compare sa water sanitizer lang. Liquid sanitizer, sorry. Stress away ointment from Young Living, and this is the baby one and this is the mother one. Cute, no? And this one is from Thailand. Ito yung parang Vicks nila. This one is ointment again here. Very tita, very mommy. Inhaler. Yeah. From Thailand. Yeah. Ponytail. Ano to? May hair. Hand therapy. Hand moisturizer. Card ng bag. Ano pa? No more na. Charan. So, that's it. Please subscribe and ano yun? Like. And watch lahat ng movie ni Sheldon. Video pala, sorry. Bye! Thank you!